What's up guys, welcome back to GR Motors, and today we're going to be looking at this tent for your truck, and it's from Tutus, and this can actually go in your truck bed or it can go on the ground like a normal tent. So we're going to check this thing out. Alright guys, as you can see, it comes in this nice little bag. I think we're going to build this on the ground. It might be a little bit easier for the first time, and then we can pop it up in the truck and see what it looks like. Alright, as we open it up, we have some instructions. Thankfully, they look pretty short. And then it looks like we have a rain cover, and then the tent itself here. Stakes, and then our poles. Alright guys, so it looks like our first step is it has these little ties around it. So we're going to untie these. And we're going to hold it like this and let it fold open. Just like that. And it looks like as we pick this up, these arms swivel out. They do. Keep doing that. Try to lock all four corners out. Alright guys, and yeah, so that's it, putting it together. Super simple, pretty much pull it out of the bag and it just pops up. And you can see how narrow it is, so it'll fit in the truck bed. It shows that the truck bed installation is done by 2 people, but I'm going to try to do it myself just so we can see what it looks like, show y'all what it looks like, and then this is all the stuff that is used for the truck bed, other than the rain cover, which would go up top obviously, but it's hot out here and it's not raining, so we're going to leave that off for right now. That's a pretty simple install. It just goes over the top and ties on. But let's see if we can get this into the truck. Alright guys, so it showed this as a 2-person install, and I found out why. It's definitely hard to do with 1 person if it's already popped up, so we're going to just put it up here and then fold it out. So yeah, super simple. Pop it up. These legs come out. Like that. Alright guys, so as you saw, we just went ahead and popped it up in the back of the truck, and then it's got 3 straps on each side, so these actually hook under the truck, and they're just a little hook like this, and they're adjustable. So I'm just going to find something to hook on, and then just snug it up, and that's going to help keep the rain, if it does rain, from running into the bed and then seeping through the bottom of the tent. Like I said, you got 3 of these, so just find somewhere you can hook them to, snug them down. That's gonna keep you dry. Alright guys, so let's do a quick little walk around as we have it. As you can see, fits very good. And let's open it up, check it out, what it looks like. close it open, and then you have this nice netting right here. So if you wanted to, be in the tent, close this up, keep the bugs out. Take a look inside. All right, we're up inside the tent right now. You can see what we're looking at here. So yeah, all you need is a air mattress in here now. Keep you off this truck bed. But yeah, you got net windows that you can fully open. And then you have the waterproof that you can close. That's on both sides. The vent up top. That, and you have a small one on here in the back you can open up too. That's keep the water out. And I'm standing up right now, and I can almost stand straight up. I'm 5'11". Let's see if I can show y'all this. I don't know if you can see this, but I can almost stand straight up in here. So guys, this is the last thing I wanted to show y'all that it can do. It's got this nice little shade attachment, and it just got some pins that pop in on the bottom here and up top, and then you run your string with an anchor to the grass. So you have to be on the grass to use this unless you got some weights to hold these down. But it's pretty nice. You want to, keep this open and keep the shade on you on the end. So, but yeah, guys. So this is the truck tent, or just tent, from Tutus. And I'm going to put a link in the description. It's super nice and super easy to set up. I mean, it might be one of the shortest videos I've ever made putting something like this together to show y'all guys. But this is for the F-150. They make it for any truck, so go check them out. They're on Amazon. And I think I'm going to get some use out of this thing. So thank y'all for watching, and we'll see you next time.